judged by many yardsticks that are applicable to the character of a state like Anambra State. There can be no doubt that any objective and politically non-partisan person like myself will say without any doubt that the tenure of Governor Obi has brought recognizable transformation to many sectors of life in Anambra State. One of the ways of assessing the performance of governments, state governments in Nigeria, and indeed national governments across the world, is to evaluate what the government has done and is doing with the collective resources of the citizens. There are, of course, other yardsticks for assessing good governance, such as existence of peace and security, and the general enabling environment for the people to pursue their self-fulfillment. But apart from the projects that I have witnessed in my limited travels through the state, I have been able to see pictures of the many transformative structures implanted in this state by Governor Obi's administration. In the education sector, so many primary schools and secondary schools and even tertiary institutions have been rehabilitated and equipped with a number of facilities, boreholes, computers, buses, laboratories, and so on. And above all, a number of schools founded by missions have been returned to the missions in order and in the hope to restore the discipline and standard in performance that used to be their character before the government took them over. Governor Obi has returned these schools to the missions, and from all the reports I get, they are performing better than they did in recent times. And in the health sector, I have seen rehabilitation and construction of new facilities and provision of new equipment, which are there for all to see. Indeed, only 2 days ago, I was privileged to be at the commissioning of a new center, a new diagnostic and dialysis center at the Iyenu Hospital. And I was shown 2 massive blocks being built by Governor Obi. And also, I witnessed the handing over of another check for 100 million naira to the diocesan bishop on the Niger. So you can see that there are indisputable evidence of what Obi has been doing with the collective resources of Anambra State. I don't think I should go on listing these things because many of those who've spoken before me have referred to them. But I would simply like to add that in the public service area, in the judiciary, in the stock exchange, and with the security services of the country, Peter Obi has not only built new structures, but has handed over equipment to the security services to help them in the performance of their job. I believe that this state, Anambra State, the people of Anambra State are known for their intellectual achievements, their hard work, their entrepreneurship, that all they really need is the creation of enabling environment for them to pursue their individual goals. And Anambrarians are found in all parts of the world. I remember here that in 1994, I was visiting a country as remote as Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea is well beyond Australia. And when I arrived there, in the evening I had a telephone call that the Nigerian community in Papua New Guinea would like to see me. And I said to my staff, could you please ascertain how many Nigerians were in Papua New Guinea? And my staff told me after inquiry that there were as many as 19 Nigerian professionals in Papua New Guinea. And their leader was a Professor Emeka Anyaoku from Okwute. Of course, I had the great pleasure of meeting them. They were Nigerians from across the country. But of the 19 of them, 7 were from Anambra State. And I believe that the most impressive thing I believe that the most impressive legacy which Governor Peter Obi will be leaving when he leaves office in a couple of days' time is the holistic approach that he adopted in seeking the development of the state during his 8 years tenure. He not only made the globally acknowledged Millennium Development Goals his objective for the state, but he proceeded to adopt what I was delighted to find some years ago, what he called the Anambra Integrated Development Strategy as his roadmap for pursuing these goals. I think that he will be leaving behind for his successor this legacy of holistic approach to the development of the state. And when the history of his 8 years tenure comes to be written, I am sure that it will be recorded that Governor Peter Obi made a difference. It will be recorded that he truly left the state better than he found it. And our prayer must be that his successor will see wisdom in continuity, but also in innovations designed for improving the state of affairs. we are here today to celebrate the end of a glorious tenure. A glorious tenure by Governor Obi, a tenure that will be long remembered for its achievements. I thank you.